Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to delete story on Facebook. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to your Facebook application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, log in your account. And okay guys, here in your Facebook dashboard, okay, you can see the story on your Facebook. And okay guys, here, so okay, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete story on Facebook. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap or go to your story. And okay guys, after that, okay, you can see the three dot on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And okay guys, here the pop-up are show, and now you can see the delete video. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the delete video because this my story is with music. So okay guys, tap the delete video and another pop-up. And okay guys, now delete video from your story. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the delete. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, your video or your story is delete. And okay guys, okay, we have successfully delete the story on your Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.